Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of layout on the application of Authenticator. You will click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Authenticator and you will enter. Here you can click on first step and you can click OK. Then you'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on first step and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us, like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.